Hello and welcome back you again in your channel. So today we are starting for exercise 2.5. Let us see first some general formulae. Some of you are already knowing and some are new that are very important. Let us see. And first is x plus y whole square. Everybody knows a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, yeah, x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. X plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube is important because you will be using in your exercise. Okay, so a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, या फिर x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. Then a minus b whole cube or x minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy minus x plus y. हर जगह minus है if we will put the bracket. Okay. Then this formula is also important for your this exercise. X plus a plus x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay. x plus y plus z whole square. यहाँ पे 2 का स्क्वायर है, यहाँ 3 का है, तो a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Then this formula again you are using in your exercise, and this is also using in your exercise. Okay. This is your new formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus zs minus zx. Okay, yz minus zx. So these are your formulas. Okay, learn them by heart, then your exercise will become very easy. Okay, so let us start exercise 2.5. Okay, so the formulas are given in your book also, and you can revise the video and you can see the formula. Your wish. Book is important for you. Okay, use book as much as you can use. So exercise 2.5 we are starting. The formula you already did from question number 1. Okay, what is this? Use suitable identities to find the following. So let us take first part only. X plus 4 into x plus 10. Okay. So what is this? X, a. So what is a here? X plus a into x plus b. This is a, this is b. So what is a here? Plus 4, and what is b here? Plus 10. Okay. So you use the formula using x plus a into x plus b. What is it? What is the formula? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the formula. Learn it. That's why I am saying learn it by heart. So equals to x. So what is the value in place of x? X only. X square plus a plus bx. What is a? 4 plus 10 into x plus ab. A is 4 into 10. Okay, so value will come x square plus 14x plus 40. So this is your answer. Same way, let us do a second part. X plus 8 into x minus 10. X in the place of x is already here, and what is in the place of a and b? A is equals to plus 8 and b is equals to minus 10. Look at here. X plus a, x plus b होता है, तो b is equals to minus 10 you will take, and you will use the same formula. Same you write using x plus a into x plus b. So what is a? Which is equals to x square plus a plus bx. A plus b, b minus 10 है, into x plus ab. A into b is minus 10. Okay, so you will get x square plus 8 minus 10 into x minus 10 is 80. So x square, so minus 2x minus 80. So this is your answer. Come to your third part. Third part is see the formula, whichever it should strike in your mind that which formula we can use in this. Okay, by seeing the question only. So as in third part, y square plus 3 upon 2. Third part, y square plus 3 upon 2 into y square minus 3 upon 2. This is your third part. Okay, so you can use the formula x plus a into x plus b also. What is in the place of x? Y square. What is in the place of a? 3 upon 2. What is the place of b? Minus 3 upon 2. ठीक है, use the same formula, and at the same time you can use second formula also. What is the second formula? A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. ठीक है, this is the formula using. So what is in the place of a? So a is equals to y square. What is in the place of b? 3 upon 2. ठीक है, so b is 3 upon 2. So a plus x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square. So y square, तो x means y का भी square minus a square minus b square. So b is 3 upon 2 का whole square. So that means y raised to the power 4 minus 9 upon 4. Okay, this is your answer. Same way, fifth part, by using same formula x plus a into x plus b, you can do yourself. Now we will move to question number 2. Okay, what is your question number 2? Evaluate the following product without multiplying. Okay, directly. So you don't have to multiply it. Second question, first part. You have to use the identity. 103 into 107. 103 into 107. So break it first. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 107 can be written as 100 plus c. See, this both are same. X. A is plus 3, b is plus 7. So a is plus 3, don't write plus, okay, and minus can be written, b is equals to 7. So what is the formula? X plus a into x plus b. So you write the formula first. So x plus a into x plus b, x square. So x is 100. X square plus a plus b, x. A plus b into x. अब x की जगह 100 है. x plus ab. A is 3, b is 7. Okay, solve it. 100 का स्क्वायर है तो 100, 4 zeros हो जाएंगे. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 100, 1000, 21. Add this, ये हो जाएगा 1000, 21 हो जाएगा 1102. So this is your answer. Okay, come to your one more part. Let us do third part. Let us do. See the third part, because b is same. Okay, 104 into 96. So 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 100 का square minus 4 का square. So that means be 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 16. Solve it. The answer will come. Okay. So this is your second question. Let us move to third question. Okay. So third question is, and whichever parts are left, that you don't have to leave. You have to do all the parts. Okay. Question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Here also you have to use the identities. So what is our first? 9x square plus 6xy minus y square. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So you can see there are three terms. 1, 2, 3. A square, b square plus 2ab टाइप. सीधे पता चल जाना चाहिए. ओके. सो a स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे 3 3 9 x का होल स्क्वायर, तो 9x स्क्वायर विल गेट. यहाँ पर b स्क्वायर, तो by है, y का स्क्वायर, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो a की जगह क्या हो गया 3x और b की जगह क्या है y. तो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab होता है 2. a की जगह क्या लिखेंगे 3x और b की जगह क्या लिखेंगे y. तो देखो सेम आना चाहिए. 3 2 6 xy आधा से. तो किसका फॉर्मूला हो गया a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर. तो a की जगह 3x प्लस b की जगह y का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, लेट अस डू द सेकेंड पार्ट. 4y स्क्वायर माइनस 4y प्लस 1. फिर थ्री टर्म्स है. अगेन वी हैव थ्री टर्म्स. सो अगेन वी कैन यूज. देखो माइनस 2ab टाइप में, तो इसको a स्क्वायर 2y का होल स्क्वायर सेम वे मिला प्लस b स्क्वायर 1 का स्क्वायर. तो a की जगह 2y है, b की जगह 1 है. ओके, तो माइनस है तो -2 ए बी वाला होगा, -2 ए की जगह क्या लिखेंगे 2i, बी की जगह 1, तो सेम आना चाहिए, 2 2 4y हो गया। तो दैट मीन्स a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर 2i माइनस बी की जगह 1 का होल स्क्वायर। और इफ यू वांट टू एक्सटेंड इट तो यू कैन राइट 2i minus 1 into 2i minus 1, you can write in this form also. Okay, the third part x square minus y square upon 100, this you can see third part x square minus y square upon 100, तो इसको क्या लिखोगे y upon 10 का होल स्क्वायर कर देना। सो व्हाट यू विल गेट a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, तो x plus y upon 10 into x